Welcome to Coastr's feature update. My name is Clyde Simpson and I'm a sales development representative at Coastr. Coastr is committed to transforming the vehicle rental industry by offering innovative solutions that streamline operations and enhance customer experiences. This month, we're excited to introduce 13 new features and enhancements designed to streamline your rental operations, improve customer experiences, and optimize your fleet management. Let's walk you through these key updates. Number 1. Capture PO numbers for individual customer bookings. Coastr now allows you to capture and record purchase order numbers for individual vehicle bookings. This feature improves financial tracking, invoicing, and record keeping, ensuring better transparency for both operators and customers. It also allows you to filter bookings by PO number, making it easier to manage expenses and streamline reimbursements. Number 2. Disable self-sign-up in Customer Portal Max. We've also added a new feature to enhance control over your bookings. Rental operators can now disable in-customer self-registration on both the portal and mobile app. This is especially beneficial for closed-group car-sharing businesses, ensuring that only authorized users can book vehicles. This feature provides added security and a more tailored rental process. Number 3. Linked Assets tab in Fleet Inventory. In Fleet Inventory, we've introduced a dedicated Linked Assets tab. This enhancement displays all linked assets of a vehicle in a convenient table view, allowing for better organization and easier tracking. By simply clicking on an asset, operators can access detailed information for faster and more efficient fleet management. Number 4. Smarter add-on selection for subscription. Coastr now ensures that only relevant add-ons appear during the booking process. Add-ons that are already included in a subscription plan will no longer be displayed, helping rental operators avoid duplication. This streamlines the booking process, ensuring customers can clearly see additional options available for selection. Number 5. Seamless booking confirmation for BACS and SEPA payments. We've improved the booking process for BACS and SEPA payments. Bookings are now automatically confirmed once the payment is completed, preventing confusion caused by being redirected to the quote page. This update ensures a smoother and more accurate payment flow and booking experience. Number 6. Automated rate adjustment. To keep your pricing competitive, Coastr now allows your rental operators to set automatic percentage increase on rate cards. This ensures that your rates are adjusted yearly in line with inflation, reducing the need for manual updates and helping to maintain profitability. Number 7. New email alerts for key booking actions. Coastr now triggers automated email notifications for key booking actions such as a booking confirmation, car delivery start, and car delivery completion. This ensures both rental operators and customers stay informed in real time, improving communication and enhancing the rental experience. Number 8. Improved address selection for test drivers. For a more streamlined test drive process, operators can now add a delivery address within the test drive flow, with options for selecting from valet address, booking pickup, drop-off address, or entering a customer address. This update offers greater flexibility and improved accuracy within vehicle deliveries. Number 9. Better handling of insurance and protection add-ons. We've enhanced the handling of insurance and protection add-ons. This update enables better management of vehicle insurance, protecting both rental assets and customers from liability risks, ensuring a safer and more compliant rental process. Number 10. Improved mobile browser experience. Coastr's platform is now even more mobile friendly. Whether you're managing your fleet or processing bookings, The mobile responsive design ensures that operators and customers can easily navigate, book and manage rentals on the go, enhancing the overall experience for the user. Number 11. Actual pickup and drop-off details in agreements. We've added actual pickup and actual drop-off details to rental and subscription agreements. This ensures accurate recording of vehicle handover times, supporting insurance requirements and providing clarity on liability, especially in cases where damages occur before the rental starts. Number 12. Faster and more accurate address entry. The new address picker automatically populates street, city, and country details, reducing manual input errors and saving valuable time. This enhancement ensures a smoother booking and delivery process, improving both operator efficiency and customer satisfaction. Number 13. Enhanced damage costs display in Customer Portal Max. Coastr now displays damage costs based on a severity level in the mobile app. This enhancement provides rental operators with a clearer cost assessments and helps customers understand potential charges up front, improving transparency and simplifying the claim process. These 13 feature updates are just the beginning. We are committed to continuously improving Coastr to meet the evolving needs of the vehicle rental industry. Thank you for being part of our community and stay tuned for more updates soon.